the ones that I've definitely taken away is number 1, design research. Number 2, design and creative briefs. And 3, the client designer relationship. Design research. What is design research? It's pretty broad. It's a pretty broad concept. However, the main focus is to research strategies designers can use to provide the client the most effective design. Okay, so there are many different examples of different types of design research. A couple I've provided in my PowerPoint presentation: quantitative research, demographic research. All are ways to kind of help the client understand your creative process going forward. Design research, it's important to ask questions when conducting research. So who is the client? What is the purpose of the design? Having these questions kind of help organize your research strategy, and it allows the designer to begin to set goals. All right, concept number 2, creative and design briefs. So what is a creative design brief? It's the overall research summary report for the designer and the client, everything learned for the purpose of creating a unique design. So that could be a summary of focus audiences, what is the design message, and what the project goals are. It is basically a full list of set goals for the creative process. Case study: the design team was to create a new brand identity for the Chinese laundry company. By conducting the necessary research, the company felt comfortable moving forward with the designers. Okay, so one of the things that the business thought that the design team was lacking was their message, their goals, who they were as a company. So doing that research and then outlining all of the message, then also the goals, they were able to be successful in creating what the Chinese laundry was looking for. All right, and last but not least, the client-designer relationship. So, what is a client-designer relationship? It's effective communication with the client, suggesting creative input to the design and researching new and innovative ways to create the best design for the client. Okay, make sure that the client is satisfied with the design. Okay, it's always making the client feel like they're involved and satisfied with the result. All the book references included in this PowerPoint presentation can be found on Full Sail University Library database. I've used all of the references in multiple assignments for this class. They have really good descriptive examples. They also include definitions. They also have visual representations, and I will take all of this information and apply it to my professional career by implementing the research that was found in these previous references.